Hello and welcome back.
Hi, everyone.
It's great to have you with us.
Yeah, we're happy to be here.
Today, we have a fun topic.
Oh, what is it?
We're going to talk about clothes.
Clothes? Like shirts and pants?
Exactly. We'll learn how to buy clothes.
That sounds useful.
It really is. Imagine you're in a shop.
Okay, I'm imagining.
You want to buy a new t-shirt.
Yes, I need a new t-shirt.
So what do you say?
I don't know.
We'll help you with that.
Great.
We'll learn simple phrases.
Phrases for buying clothes?
Yes. For example, asking for a size.
Asking for a size.
Or asking the price.
The price is important.
It is. And asking for a different color.
I like different colors.
So it's all about shopping.
Shopping for clothes. I like shopping.
Me too. Let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Our first phrase is very common.
Oh? What is it?
It's, I need to buy.
I need to buy.
Yes. So, Ava, why do you sometimes need to buy new clothes?
Sometimes my old clothes are small.
You grow. That's a good reason.
Yeah, and sometimes the clothes are old.
Old. Like not fashionable anymore.
Yes, or maybe they have a hole.
A hole. That's a clear reason to buy new ones.
Right. And sometimes I want something new.
You want to change your style?
Maybe. Or for a special day.
Oh, like a party or a wedding.
Yes, I need a nice dress for that.
I see. So, sometimes it's practical reasons.
Practical?
Yes, like clothes are too small or old.
Right.
And sometimes it's about feeling good.
Feeling good?
Yes. New clothes can make you feel happy.
Oh, I like that.
It's true. So, you need to buy clothes.
I need to buy clothes.
Good. And maybe you want to buy clothes.
Yes, I want to buy clothes too.
Perfect. We'll use this phrase a lot.
Great.
So, Ava, you want to buy some new clothes.
Yes, Andrew. I need a new shirt.
Great. So, where do we buy clothes?
In a shop?
Yes, a clothes shop. Or a store.
A clothes shop. Okay.
Do you like going to clothes shops?
Sometimes. It's nice.
It can be fun. And useful, of course.
Yes. I need a nice shirt for my friend's party.
Oh, a party. That's exciting. So, we need to go to the shop.
Right. How do we go?
We can walk. Or take a bus.
A bus. Okay.
What time is good to go?
Maybe in the afternoon?
The afternoon is good. Not too busy.
I see.
So let's go to the shop.
Let's go to the shop.
Good. And we can say, I want to go shopping.
I want to go shopping.
Exactly. It means you want to buy things.
Like clothes.
Yes, like clothes. Or shoes. Or anything.
Oh, I understand.
So, we are going to the shop.
Yes. To buy a shirt.
Perfect. We're ready to go.
Great.
Great. So, you're at the store now.
Yes, I'm here.
What do you do first?
I look.
Exactly. You look around.
Look around.
Yes. You see the clothes.
Oh, I see many clothes.
You can walk in the store.
Walk. Okay.
You can look at the shirts.
Shirts. Yes.
You can look at the trousers.
Trousers too.
You don't need to buy now.
I don't need to buy.
No, not yet. You just browse.
Browse?
Yes, you browse. It means you look slowly.
Browse. Look slowly.
Right. You can look at colors.
Colors are nice.
And sizes.
Sizes. Yes.
You are just looking.
I am just looking. It's nice.
It's a good way to start.
So I look and I walk.
That's it. You are browsing.
Okay, I understand.
You can see what you like. Right, Ava? You're looking around.
Yes, Andrew. So many things.
It's a lot, I know.
I see a red shirt. It's nice.
Oh, good. What do you like about it?
The color is bright.
Bright colors are good.
And it looks soft.
Soft clothes feel good.
I want to touch it.
You can. Go ahead.
It is soft.
Great. So you like this shirt.
Yes, I think I do.
Okay. Now how do you say that?
Say what?
I like this.
Oh, I like this.
Exactly. You can say, I like this.
I like this.
Perfect. For example, I like this shirt.
I like this shirt.
Good. You found something.
Yes, I found a shirt.
That's excellent.
It's a nice red shirt.
It is. You like it.
I really like it.
Wonderful. What's next?
Maybe I'll look more.
Okay.
So, I see a nice shirt.
Great.
It looks good.
Wonderful.
But can I wear it?
Yes, you can.
How do I ask?
It's easy. You say, can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Exactly.
Can I try this on?
That's it.
So, I go to the person?
Yes, the shop assistant.
And I say,
Can I try this on?
I see.
Like this, for example. To an imaginary person, excuse me. Can I try this on?
Oh, I understand.
They will help you.
They show me the changing room,
Yes, they do.
and then I wear it.
Right.
It's a good phrase.
Very useful.
Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you, Andrew. Okay, Ava. So you have a shirt. You like it?
Yes, I like this blue shirt. But is it my size?
Good question. How do you know if it fits?
I don't know. I can't just put it on here.
Right. You need to try it on.
Try it on. What does that mean?
It means to wear the clothes in the store.
Oh, I see. Where do I do that?
You go to a fitting room.
A fitting room. What is that like?
It's a small room. You can close the door.
So, it's private?
Yes, it's private. You can take off your clothes.
And then I put on the new shirt.
Exactly. You try it on.
Try it on. Like, I will try on these shoes.
Yes, perfect. Or, I need to try on this dress.
So I go to the fitting room. I try on the shirt.
And you look in the mirror
A mirror? Why?
to see if it looks good on you.
And if it fits well.
Yes. Is it too big? Is it too small?
What if it's too small?
Then you don't buy it. You find another size.
Oh, I see. So the fitting room helps me decide.
Yes, it's very important. You can also try on other items.
So, I can try on pants too?
Yes, any clothes. It's for trying on clothes.
That makes sense.
So, Ava, you have the shirt. What's next?
I try it on.
Right. And when you try it on, how does it feel?
It feels okay?
We want it to feel good.
Good? How?
Well, it shouldn't be too tight.
Too tight? Like this?
Maybe. Can you move your arms?
Yes. A little.
Okay. It shouldn't be too loose, either.
Too loose? Like a big bag?
Exactly. It should fit well.
Fit well.
Yes. So does it fit well?
I think. Maybe it's a bit tight.
Ah, I see. Let's try another size.
Okay.
Or maybe a different style.
Right.
We're looking for comfort.
Comfort. Yes.
And also, does it look good?
It looks nice.
Good. So feel it. Does it feel okay?
It's okay.
Not too tight, not too loose.
Yes, it's good.
Perfect. So it fits you well.
It fits me well.
Great. That's a key phrase.
It fits me well.
Great. So it fits well.
Yes, it's good.
But sometimes, clothes are not good.
Oh no. What do you mean?
Maybe the size is wrong.
Too big?
Yes, or too small.
Ah, I see.
Or maybe it's just not the right shape.
So, what can I do?
Don't worry. It's okay.
Really?
Yes. You can ask to change it.
Change it?
Yes. You can say, I'd like to change this.
I'd like to change this.
Good. For example, if it's too small,
Okay.
you can say, it's too small, please.
It's too small, please.
Perfect. Or if it's too big.
It's too big, please.
Exactly.
And they give me another one?
Yes, they can.
Or a different size?
Yes, a different size.
Or maybe a different thing?
Yes, you can ask for a different item.
So, I just say, I'd like to change this.
Right. And tell them why.
Okay. That's good to know.
Now you try it on. What if it's wrong?
It doesn't fit, right?
Yeah, that's right. It doesn't fit.
What do I do then?
You can ask for a different size.
How do I ask?
Say, do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a bigger size?
That's it. You're asking for help.
What if it's too big?
Say, do you have a smaller size?
Do you have a smaller size?
I'd ask that if it's too big.
Okay, got it.
You can also say, I need a larger size.
I need a larger size.
Use it if you need more room.
That makes sense.
It's easy to ask, don't worry.
Right, I'll try it.
Just be honest, say what you need.
Yeah, I will.
You're doing great, Ava.
Thanks, Andrew, you're helping me.
That's what I'm here for.
I see, so I can ask for any size.
Exactly, any size you need.
Well, that's good to know.
Now you can shop with confidence.
Really, I feel more confident.
You should, you're learning fast.
Oh, thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome, Ava.
I'd like to practice more.
We can practice, no problem. Now you try it on, what's next?
Do I like it?
Yeah, you decide if you want it.
How do I decide?
You think, is it nice?
Yeah, it's nice, but it's expensive.
Right, so you think about the price.
I don't have much money.
You say it's a bit pricey.
It's a bit pricey, yeah.
Then you think, do I need it?
I need a new shirt.
Okay, so you need it, and you like it.
Yeah, but I don't know.
You can say, I'll take it.
I'll take it, okay.
Or, I'll think about it.
I'll think about it, yeah.
You can also say, how much is it?
How much is it?
The price, it's $20.
Oh, that's a lot.
You can ask, is it on sale?
Is it on sale?
Sometimes it's cheaper.
I see, that's good.
You can save money.
Yeah, I want to save money.
Well, it's a good idea.
I'll ask, is it on sale?
That's right, you can ask.
And they tell me the price.
Yeah, they tell you the price.
Then I decide, yeah.
You decide, it's easy.
Yeah, it's not hard.
You just think about it.
And I say, I'll take it.
Or, no thanks, I don't want it. So, you found a nice shirt.
Yes, I like it.
Great. So, you want to buy it.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now we go to the checkout.
Checkout?
Yes, where you pay.
Ah, I see.
You take your clothes to the counter.
The counter.
The person there will help you.
Oh, okay.
They scan the clothes.
Scan? Like a scanner?
Yes, a machine. It reads the price.
Right.
Then they tell you the total cost.
The total cost. How much is it?
For example, that's $20.
$20.
You can pay with cash or card.
Cash. Like money?
Yes, coins and notes.
And card? Like a credit card?
Yes, or a debit card.
Okay.
You give the money or the card.
And then?
They give you the clothes.
And the receipt.
Yes, the receipt is important.
Good to know.
Now you have new clothes, Ava.
Yeah, I do. It's great.
You're happy, right?
Oh, yeah, I am.
That's good. Buying clothes can be fun.
It's fun when you find something nice.
You feel good, don't you?
Yeah, I feel good.
Say, I'm happy with my purchase.
I'm happy with my purchase.
Like when you buy a nice shirt.
I'd wear it every day.
You like your new clothes.
Yeah, they're really nice.
You can say it's just what I needed.
It's just what I needed.
For example, a new pair of shoes.
I need new shoes.
Well, you can buy some now.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You're feeling confident, right?
Oh, yeah, I'm confident.
That's great. Ava, you're doing well.
Thanks, Andrew. You're helping me.
It's okay. I'm here to help.
I see. So shopping is fun.
Yeah, it can be fun, don't you think?
Yeah, I think so. It's cool.
You can say, I had a great time shopping.
I had a great time shopping.
Like today at the store.
Yeah, today was good.
You're glad you went, right?
Oh, yeah, I'm glad.
Good, I'm glad too.
Yeah, me too, thanks.
So we talked about clothes shopping.
Yeah, it's fun.
You're right, it is fun.
I like buying new clothes.
We learned a lot today.
What did we learn?
We learned about trying clothes on.
And asking for help.
That's right, ask for help.
I'd ask for a different size.
Say, can I try a bigger size?
Can I try a bigger size?
Yeah, that's it.
It's easy to remember.
Really, it is easy.
I see. So what's next?
Nothing, we're done.
Oh, already?
Yeah, time to go.
Well, thanks for teaching me.
You're welcome, Ava.
Yeah, me too, thanks.
It was fun chatting with you.
I had fun too.
We'll talk again soon.
I'd like that.
So goodbye for now.
Yeah, goodbye.
Take care, Ava.
You too, Andrew.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you.